Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India through RBC. And well, this process is quite simple, okay? If we want to send money from Canada to India through this bank, it's pretty straightforward. What we have to do is this. We need to access platforms like Remitly, for example, which is a platform that, so from Canada, it allows us to send money to India through that bank. All right, here the Remitly page has already loaded for me. You create an account, select India here, and click on Send Money. Here, what we're going to do is choose here the amount we want to send. Here, we're going to choose the payment method. Here, we click on Continue, and after this option will appear here, which is the bank deposit option. We're going to carefully select it. And here, we are going to meticulously look for the specific bank that we are currently requesting. We have multiple options, and well, it's just a matter of finding the bank we're requesting. So here, we search, pick one, and then send the money. It's pretty simple. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.